with me today, we have got this Volvo XC90. I think it's about a 2014-15 reg, and it's sounding a little bit like a tank. And I'll get it started now and show you. As you can see, we've got the vehicle running now, and it is a little bit noisy. And I'm going to show you what is going on. And now we've got the vehicle switched off. It is a little bit noisy. It's noisier than it is on camera. Anyway, the part that's failed is an EGR pipe, and it comes off the manifold straight round to the EGR pipe. And this is what's failed. I can't remember which side it is now. It's snapped off one of the flanges here, and it is a real common problem with them. And if you need to replace them, or you're doing this job yourself, that is the part number that you need from Volvo. And it does come with all new gaskets throughout. So right, let's get involved. Now, to gain access to that EGR pipe, remove the engine cover, airbox out of the way, disconnect the MAF sensor, pull that out nicely, like so. And the pipe that we need to replace is down here, and also we need to remove this intake pipe as well. There's a little 8mm by there, Jubilee clip, and we just remove that breather, and then that pipe should just pull out the way. Now, once all that pipe work is out of the way, we can get access now to this pipe. Now, I have removed the two T40s, which are by there, holding it to the EGR valve itself. Now, to get that pipe out, just disconnect the gear cable, pull it to one side, and there's a little, I don't really know what this is, if somebody can enlighten me, it could be anything. There's a little bracket that we have to remove, just 3 8mm, and that'll just pull out the way. We can get this pipe now and just fiddle it out, twist it round, and there you go. That is one pipe out. Now, I've done the easy side of it. Now, the hard part is getting it off the manifold itself, which is tucked right up there out of the way. So right, let's get involved and get it tackled. And there we have it. That is the broken piece off. Now, how I managed to get to it was go down the back there with this little wobbly extension that I got by Lexington, and that is, honest to God, best tool I've ever bought, especially if you're doing gearboxes and stuff. That is insane. They're only about 20 quid, I think, off Amazon. Anyway, let's get this brand new one in. Now, before I put this pipe in, you know these little gaskets with these little tabs on, what I like to do is just bend them in a little bit more so they grip that pipe a little bit better, because the last thing we're going to be doing is feeding it around the back and it pops off. Now, it should just slide in. You watch, it won't go in now first time. Actually, you've got to just watch it around the back there. I don't know if you can see. It just hooks inside the heat shield rather than at the side of it, otherwise it won't line up properly. And then once it's all lined up, we can get the where's it gone? The two T40s, and we can just connect it to the EGR valve slightly. Just nip it up. We don't want it too tight. Then we can get it aligned on the manifold. And you can just about get them back on with your fingers. Oh, let me just show you. Can I get my camera down there to show you? Is it shining? It's light to my eyes. And you can just get your fingers in there. I can't really see. Anyway, down there, just to tighten them up, then we can get the socket and ratchet on it. Now, once we've got that pipe put back on and everything's nice and tight on the EGR valve and the manifold, the little pipe coming off it, this little bracket, you need to leave it loose until you put the little clip on, because the bolt holes are elongated, and if you can put it in the wrong way or in the wrong place, chances are it's going to blow. So get that little V-band clamp put back on first, tighten it up, and then tighten the 310mm up. And there you go, that is now everything tightened up, and make sure you plug everything in and also connect the gear cable as well. And all we've got to do now is just put all the plastics back on. Now the vehicle is all back together, we put all the trims back on. What we're going to do, we're going to read all the fault codes if there was any. And as you can see, if we go into diesel, well, the whole vehicle's got a lot of fault codes, but we're not worried about everything else other than the engine. If you have a little look, we're probably going to get boost faults, yeah. Turbocharger, supercharger, pressure not detected. That is going to be because the turbo wasn't building pressure up because the EGR pipe had snapped. So what we're going to be doing is giving them a little bit of a clearer rooney. The tablet that I'm using is a Launch Euro Tab 3. Anybody asks and wants to know. There we go. Right, we can get on the key now and give it a big start rooning. Now, before I've started the vehicle, what I've done, I've cleared all the systems down. We've only got one fault code which is coming back up, and that is the low tyre pressure, which I'm going to sort out for him now. Right, let's get on a button and give it a big start rooning. There we go, that sounds 10 times better. Anyway, yeah, I hate all these modern cars with different gongs and buzzes and God knows what. It does your head in, doesn't it? Anyway, there you go, that is one EGR pipe successfully replaced on a Volvo XC90. And as you can see, that is quite a bad fault, that is, to be honest with you. So anyway, I'm going to take it down the road now, make sure that this car is driving absolutely perfect. And yeah, we'll get it sent.